In the skies above us, two giants compete for dominance, Airbus and Boeing. They are more than just airplane companies, they are icons of human innovation, rivalry, and ambition. But the question remains, which one is better? Today on Tech Pixels, we will fly deep into the world of commercial aviation, compare aircraft, uncover secrets, and even revisit some of the most tragic crashes. Buckle up, this is going to be a turbulent ride. So, origins of giants. Let's rewind to where it all began. Founded in 1916 by William Boeing in Seattle, USA. Started with military aircraft and postal service plane, became a household with models like the 707, 747 and later the 737, the world's best-selling airliner. Now Airbus, formed in 1970 as an European collaboration between France, Germany, Spain and the UK, created to challenge American dominance. Their first success, Airbus A300, the world's first twin-jet wide-body jet. Now, from the start, Airbus brought innovation, Boeing brought experience, a fierce rivalry was born. Design philosophies. What makes them different isn't just where they are built, but how they are built. Airbus, known for fly-by-wire technology, computers assist pilot inputs. Side stick controllers instead of traditional yokes. Standardized cockpit designs across models. Pilots can easily switch between A3 to A320, A330 and A350 etc. Boeing believes in more manual pilot control, uses traditional yokes, emphasizes pilot authority over automation. Airbus is the tech-savvy dream, Boeing is the old school aviator's battlefield. Now, the flagships. Let's compare some of their iconic aircrafts in the world. Now, Airbus A320 versus Boeing 737. A320, first fly-by-wire narrow body, over 10,000 units delivered. 737, world's best-selling aircraft, first introduced in 1968, over 12,000 delivered. Result, Boeing wins in numbers, but A320 Neo is more fuel efficient. Now, Airbus A350 versus Boeing 787 Dreamliner, both made of carbon fiber reinforced polymer. A350, quieter, wider cabin, more range. 787, revolutionary fuel efficiency, high tech cabin environment. Result, a tie in innovation, but airlines choose based on routes and pricing. Now, Airbus A380 versus Boeing 747. A380, largest passenger aircraft in history. 747, queen of the skies, iconic hump design. Result, A380 is bigger, but the 747 had longer commercial success. Now, the numbers game. Let's look at some real numbers and rankings. Deliveries as of 2024. Boeing 20,000 aircraft, Airbus 15,000 aircrafts. Orders backlog. Airbus 8,600 plus orders, Boeing 5,600 plus orders. Market share as of 2023, Airbus 52%, Boeing 48%. Airbus took the lead in the last decade, especially after the Boeing 737 MAX crisis. Now, crash records. Now we enter in a dark chapter, the crash that shook the world. Boeing's deadliest crashes. Boeing 747 Japan Airlines Flight 123, 1985. 520 people died, the deadliest single aircraft accident in the aviation history, caused rare pressure bulkhead failure. Now, Boeing 737 MAX Lion Air Flight 610 2018 and Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 2019. 346 deaths in total caused flawed MCAS software. This crash grounded the 737 MAX worldwide for nearly 2 years. Airbus deadliest crashes. Air France Flight 447 2009 Airbus A330. 228 deaths caused pilot tube icing and pilot confusion. German Wings Flight 9525 2015 Airbus A320. 150 deaths caused pilot deliberately crashed the plane. No aircraft is perfectly safe. Human error, design flaws and maintenance issues play a major roles. Reliability and safety. So, which company builds safer planes? Boeing Pros. Proven track record over a century. Larger global fleet. Airbus Pros. Newer tech and automation reduces pilot error. Excellent safety record post 2000. Statistically, both are very safe, but Airbus relies more on software while Boeing leans on pilot instinct. Who prefers what? What do pilot, airlines and passengers think? Pilots. Some love Boeing for the control, of others prefer Airbus for ease and comfort. Airlines. Low-cost carriers prefer Airbus A320neo for fuel efficiency. Legacy airlines often have mixed fleets. Passengers. A350 is praised for silence and air pressure comfort. 787 Dreamliner is praised for humidity and lighting. It really depends on what you are looking for. Tradition versus innovation, control versus automation. Future of flying. Let's take a peek into the future. Airbus developing ZEROE, a hydrogen-powered concept to fly by 2035, in which heavily in sustainability and AI-driven systems. Boeing focused on autonomy, fuel efficiency, working on the Boeing transonic truss braced wing (TTBW) for future single aisle aircraft. The future is not just about bigger planes, it's about smarter, greener and cleaner skies. So, the big question and the final question: Airbus or Boeing? In innovation, Airbus. In legacy, Boeing. In fuel efficiency, Airbus. In pilot preference, split. In crash recoveries, Airbus has shown faster rebound. In order numbers recently, Airbus. Airbus may be leading right now, but Boeing is not far behind. In truth, both companies push each other and that competition benefits us all. Whether you are on the Airbus A350 or Boeing 787, one thing is clear: human flight is a miracle of science, courage and relentless innovation. Thanks for watching Tech Pixels. So, what do you prefer? What should be the next video? Comment below.